Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to the next video of tutorial of Python. So we are going to get the next concept is format string. How a string will format. So we are going to this format step by step. We'll get the more and more information about it. So guys, we are having the variable my age is 25, value is 35. Second variable is text inside. You can see the value is my name is Shekhar. And for that we have to there followed by the format as we have taken the value my name is Shekhar, comma I am. It is the mention as the curly braces inside age is mentioned. My age is mentioned here as a variable. So my name is the value that is the mentioning the age of the person, and text inside my name is the Shekhar I am. It is the concatenation, not concatenation. It is the taken as the curly braces inside that particular value of the variable. So we are going to print the value. It will mention the same. My name is Shekhar. I am 35. It's showing the same value. My age, if you are putting any variable inside the curly braces inside the comma, it will always mention the same. Will mention that particular variable. My age is. We are running the same program once more. Then we are getting some more explanation clarity as we are going to get the output here. My name is Shekhar. My age is 35. So as from this format string we can say here that for by f will mention there. If f is there, it will provide the variable as mentioned inside the curly braces. Okay. So we are going to run the program once more. We are getting the same value once more. My name is Shekhar. My age is 35. So that's all here. Going to have the next concept. We are selecting the code here. Piece of code and we are commenting here, and we are moving to the next concept here. So inside the next concept, we are going to get the new variable. Not variable like price of any product is mentioned here 300. Okay, and then next we have taken the variable txt. That is the next variable. Inside will mention the curly braces or will press like this price. The price is a particular product. So we can see here the price of bag is, it is the worded comma quotes are there. Then inside we are mentioning the curly braces. Inside the curly braces we are mentioning the price as per the variable are having the 300 as the integer value. So we are putting the same. My bag is price. Price means my bag is my price of my bag is 300. We'll mention the output. So we are printing the value of txt, and after putting the value we are going to run the program, and after running the program we'll get the same value. The price of the bag is 300 as we expected. We will get the same value here. So 300 will get the output here, nothing else. So we get the same value here once more, we can see. So we are erasing the same and running once more for getting the clarity of it. So we got the same concept again. The price of bag is 300 as expected. The same value is mentioned here also. As you can see, the price is the variable that is storing the 300 rupees. Inside the next variable is text is followed by the f. Inside text is there. Inside text we have mentioned the curly braces. Inside we have placed the value of the particular variable inside the curly braces, and next we are going to print the text as the variable. After running we get the exact output as we have placed the previous also. If we are having the two value, two bags, then what will happen? And the curly braces, the price, the particular product is there, the particular variable are there, will multiply with 2, then we'll get the double of the value. So we'll get like the price of 2 bag is 600 should come the output here. As you can see that answer. The price of 2 bag is 600 rupees. So that's all for today. Have a great day. Okay, bye. Thank you.